In this video, we are going to go over how to do thunder processing on the Thunder model organism. So first we will go over the Instant Computational Clearing, or ICC. So the first thing we want to do is set up our imaging parameters, and then we can turn on the Thunderbolt icon, which will activate ICC. Then select your mounting media, which for stereo, I usually select air. And you can also type in a refractive index. You can go with the default settings or select the advanced settings to adjust your feature scale or strength. Please consult with your AWSW for more details. So when you're ready to go, hit the start button. Remember that ICC works for both 2D and 3D images, and now it's processing and it's done. So let's go take a look at our ICC image, which will be designated by the little Thunderbolt in project settings or open projects. And you can see that the ICC did a nice job of dehazing the image. Now let's switch gears and acquire a Z-stack and then run a large volume computational clearing. So I activate the Z-stack by clicking the Z up at the top. Then I will set my begin and end for my Z-stack. One thing to check before you hit start is to set your exposure time back to the original setting, because sometimes I shorten that exposure to get faster refresh rate. Let me turn off the ICC and then I'm going to hit start. Once it's done acquiring, go to the Process tab and let's scroll through our series here, and I'm going to show you that as we move through the Z-stack, there's a little bit of a shift, and this is just due to the stereo optics. So before we can do the large volume computational clearing, we have to do a parallax correction, which is just a quick 2 clicks, and then we have our corrected stack. It's listed under series and then core 1 usually. Now we can go to our lightning and thunder process, select our large volume computational clearing, and do the same thing as we did before, select our mounting media. You can see that under this we also have advanced settings. Again, please consult with your advanced workflow specialist if you need more information about that. So you can see that the thunder finished very quickly. And now we can go and compare our images. So here's a side-by-side. I'm going to link these images and we're going to zoom in. So you can see that the thunder did a nice job of doing the computational clearing. And so if you have any more questions, please ask your local advanced workflow specialist. You can also consult the other videos on this channel about thunder processing and also about stereomicroscopy.